Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk step by step through how you can change the font size of your username QR code in the Telegram desktop app after the new update. If you've been wanting to personalize the way your QR code looks, this feature makes it simpler than ever. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and ready on the main screen. Once you're in, look toward the very top left corner of your window. You'll notice three small horizontal lines, often called the menu button. Go ahead and click on those three lines. From here, you'll see a list of different options and settings related to your account. Find and select the section called My Profile. This is where all of your personal account details are stored, including your username information. Inside your profile area, you'll notice your display name, profile picture, and your username. Right beside your username, you'll find the QR code option. Click on this QR code icon to open up the customization view. Now that you're inside the QR code section, you'll see that Telegram has added new customization features. One of the useful features available is the ability to adjust the font size of your username within the QR code design. This lets you decide how large or small your username text should appear when people scan your code. To change it, simply look for the font size selector. You can either increase the size of your username text to make it more bold and noticeable, or decrease it if you prefer a more subtle and compact look. As you make your changes, you'll see the preview of your QR code update instantly, so you can choose the exact style you like best. Once you're satisfied with the new font size, your QR code is ready to share. You can download it, save it, or share it directly with friends, groups, or channels. That's all it takes. In just a few quick steps, you've successfully adjusted your QR code font size in the Telegram desktop app. Simple, fast, and a great way to make your profile stand out.